So I've tried American candy 2 times. Once in 2015 and another time in 2019. Ew. But it's been 2 years and I don't remember what anything tastes like, and I'm from Australia and we only eat Vegemite, so I went to the store and I picked some up. There's actually too much for me to choose from right now.
I just want these.
Literally.
Flaming Hot Cheetos.
But I've already had them, so it doesn't really count. This feels essential to try. I feel like I've seen it everywhere. Also feel like this is essential. Let's get one of these. Peach flavored? I'm not sure what these are, but they look scary. The fact that there are so many different options though. A sour pickle. I don't even like pickles in general.
$59 on snacks.
We secured the $50 worth of goods. This is probably like $20 in America. So I probably shouldn't have eaten breakfast or dinner last night. But anyway, comment what country you're from and maybe I'll try snacks from your country next. So I got just a few snacks. I'm probably most excited to try like this little stack just here. Least excited about the pickle in the bag. Why is this a thing? If you guys didn't know, I'm from Australia. And in Australia, it's like not common to eat pickles like this. At least I don't think so. And the first time I ever saw this was at Six Flags and I was like a little bit disgusted. No shade if you like pickles, but I am the kind of person that picks the pickle off the burger. So that gives a little bit of context.
I saw a TikTok and it said only the crazy hot girls are the ones that eat the pickles.
I'm about to love this. I love pickles. Pickles are my favorite. I've had Hot Takis before, but this is blue heat, which seems like it would be toxic. Well, number one, I just feel like these are gonna be super freaking spicy, but like blue, hot chili pepper, artificially flavored tortilla chip. They seem fine. Wait, really? They taste sugary. I don't even think that they're spicy. They're like a tiny little bit spicy. They're really also appetizing. They're not bad. I just don't know if I would get them again. I also like wouldn't want this blue dust everywhere. But I guess that's the same with like regular Takis or Flamin' Hot Cheetos. KANE Foster taste test.
ASMR. Oh, they're good.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10. KANE likes them.
Watch me blue.
You have to actually update everyone if you have blue poops.
I can confirm that didn't happen.
Swedish Fish. I feel like I've heard of this before, but I actually just didn't expect that it was gonna look like this. Soft and chewy candy.
Is it even American?
Is it? I feel like it is. It does say made in Canada though. I feel like I saw this when I was in America. They look so plain. They kind of look like just raspberry candy. This is super popular. My mom used to eat that all the time. Swedish Fish. They're good. They kind of taste like every red gummy candy that's ever existed. 6 out of 10. Goldfish. I feel like this is so popular and they talk about this in like movies and shit. We have something in Australia called Shapes and that's what this reminds me of. From looking at it, it looks like it's gonna be a cheese flavored cracker. They smell like nothing. Is this really popular? They're so tiny. Slightly salted crackers. Feels a little bit overhyped.
Would never have it again. 0 out of 10.
0. It's like not too much flavor. It's no flavor at all. I would have given it like a 6 out of 10. But the more I eat it, 8 out of 10. Root beer? I'm not really sure what root beer even is. Is it the same as ginger beer?
Like ginger's a root, so maybe.
I really like ginger beer. Controversial YouTuber that used to drink the diet version of this. Let me know if you know who I'm talking about in the comments. I've always been curious since then. Ooh, what is that? Ew, it tastes like licorice. Oh, is that popular in America? Root beer since 1919. How has that existed for like 100 years? Oh, heck no. Get rid of that. I thought I was gonna be able to use that as like a palate cleanser between all of these things, and that's literally disgusting. 2.5 out of 10. I got these 3 bars. We have a Tootsie Roll, a Baby Ruth, and a Butterfinger. I think I tried this when I did the collab with Lauren. Oh, what the f is that? Oh, it's not the worst, but it also kind of tastes like grandma candy. I wouldn't buy it again. I don't want to bag out all of the candy just in case this is like some of y'all's favorite stuff. I really do think that all the different countries have different taste preferences. It's Baby Ruth. It sounds cute. Dry roasted peanuts, rich caramel, and smooth nougat. This is pretty good. Tastes like a picnic. So far, this one is the winner. I would buy that again. This is a Butterfinger. I think I've had this before. That It's pretty yummy. It tastes like peanut butter. This is my favorite thing that I've eaten in the whole video. It's a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, they had these at Aldi the other day. They're called Apple Jacks. Apple and cinnamon flavored corn, wheat, and oat cereal. I'm not the biggest fan of cinnamon flavors. Hopefully I have some milk. Oh, I do. These kind of look like Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops exist everywhere. Oh, they smell really yummy. I don't know why I put that much in because I'm gonna have like 2 spoonfuls. Are you all milk or cereal first? I'm cereal first. Does anyone else feel like cereal tastes better if you eat it with a tiny spoon? It's pretty good. I wouldn't eat this as an adult, but like if my mom bought this for me when I was a kid, I'd be pretty happy. I bought these Texan barbecue rib flavored Lay's chips, which is a flavor that I would literally never gravitate towards, but it was the only one that they had at the store, so. Oh, they smell good. They smell so freaking good. I feel like the idea of super meaty chips sounds kind of gross, but these are bomb. They kind of remind me of like honey soy chicken, but like not honey soy chicken. Like the same kind of thing though. Hey babe, do you want to come try these? Good?
Yeah, they're yummy.
The best chip you've ever eaten in your whole life? I wasn't trying to share. We don't put any candy in Australia in boxes like this, and I feel like so much American candy is like boxed up. Ooh. From the packaging, I think that these look like they're gonna taste the nicest. These look like Maltesers, the original malted milk balls. That is surely just knockoff Maltesers, unless these came first. And then Maltesers are knockoff Whoppers, like the burger. Oh, they look gross. They're all broken. Oh my God, they're so hard. Do you think they're out of date? Very close to being out of date, like a month away. I think I like Maltesers more.
Yeah.
They're so hard, right? It's like chalk, little balls of chalk.
They taste like Ovaltines or Ovaltini things or whatever.
Oh my God, but you suck on Ovaltinis. That's why it's not a big deal.
Yeah, that's it.
Are they called Ovaltini?
Ovaltines, maybe?
5 out of 10. Okay, Milk Duds, candy made with chocolate and caramel. I was trying to bite it, but it's like so hard. They're pretty good. I would get this. Everything is very close to the expiry date, so I feel like maybe it doesn't taste how it's meant to taste. This is pretty good. Number 1 so far. Number 2, however, anticipate this to be over here because surely it can't get much worse than stale Maltesers that are really hard. Junior mints, creamy mints in pure chocolate. My thing is, I feel like I'm not the biggest fan of other countries' chocolate. Cadbury is the most superior chocolate in the world. Oh my God, it's like, Oh, I freaking love mint chocolate though. This tastes like something that my mom would eat. These are really close, and this is really, really far away, like this far. Milk Duds, 8 out of 10. Junior Mints, 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Hot Tamales. I feel like I've heard about these in movies before or something. I've heard of this somewhere. I don't know where I've heard of it. They look like little poisonous pills. This cinnamon flavored chewy candy. Not really a fan of cinnamon. Do you want one of these, pal?
Yeah, love them. Thanks, pal.
Oh, I can smell the cinnamon. Who is like Oh, that's fucking disgusting. What is that? What the actual F is that? That's the worst candy I've ever put in my mouth. Hey babe, do you want to have a jelly bean? It's just a jelly bean. I spat it out.
Who invented that?
You're gonna spit it out. Now to wash down whatever the heck that was. I have an Arizona peach flavored iced tea, which I feel like all the Instagram girls drink. This is so large, like it reminds me of the size of an energy drink, but like maybe even bigger. This is my head. Does everything feel a little bit more carbonated in America or what? Oh, it's like not fizzy at all. It's really good. Like in the summertime on the beach with a little shot of gin in there. 9.5, really good. Solid iced tea. Laffy Taffy, and the only thing that I know about Laffy Taffy is that TikTok song that's like, shake that Laffy Taffy girl. This one is blue raspberry and this one is strawberry. For some reason, I just feel like the blue one is gonna be better. It's my inner child telling me that the artificial coloring is going to definitely make it more tastier. The packaging is stuck. It just feels like it's not meant to be like this. This is something I would have eaten when I was like 14 years old with my leftover lunch money. 7 out of 10. These just don't really undo very well, do they? The blue one is better. 100%. Way better. That one's like 5 out of 10. The blue one was better.
I think I got some blue heat in my eye.
From the Takis?
Yeah.
Pop-Tarts. I tried these with Lauren, but we just ate them like not cooked. So I want to put it in the toaster and try it. I don't think we had this flavor either. Chocolate is my favorite flavor of anything, but if they do like the chocolate and it's like a little bit cheap and gross, then I hate it. It says that it's already cooked, it just needs to be heated up. Do kids eat this for breakfast? Like, it seems like a breakfast food, but it also seems like dessert. Like, what is that? Is it a cookie? Ah! It's very hot. Ah! That the picture is catfishing me because they do not look anything alike. Like, what is that? Expectation versus reality. Pop-Tart edition. I really do want to know, is this a breakfast food? Like, are kids eating this for breakfast? Oh, it tastes better than it looks. There's vitamins in here? Surely not. If I was a kid and my mom let me have these, I would be so stoked. I'm gonna give this like an 8.5. Reese's peanut butter cups. I've definitely had at least a bite of one of these before. I didn't used to be the biggest fan of peanut butter. I've always secretly thought that these are the cutest things that I've ever seen in my whole life. They're a little bit melted, but like, look at how cute it is. This might be controversial, but I feel like peanut butter is slightly overrated. It's actually pretty good. Solid 8 out of 10. Pickle in a bag. They sold these in the fridge at Six Flags and I was so shook. They had straws attached to them because I guess people are drinking the juice. Oh, that actually doesn't look good. I don't want to eat it. Oh, I just smelled it. As someone that takes the pickle out of their burgers, I am very unexcited about this one. Can you smell it? It's smelling up the whole house. Oh, I just got pickle juice everywhere. The fuck texture? What the fuck? It feels like a piece of rubber. I don't even care about hot girls like pickle. You have to come eat. There's pickle juice literally everywhere. Is this a genetically modified pickle? Because are they normally that big? The texture of biting into it, it feels like you're biting into a piece of plastic.
Whole body goosebumps.
Hey babe! Take a big bite.
Fucking deep throat that.
Please.
You should leave this whole thing in how you pressure me into something.
Bite it. Come on baby, do it.
Big one. Can
At
whack it
least
in
this
there.
one.
I'll do
No
double
way.
whatever you do right now.
Wait, will
You
you really?
did double the amount that I
Whatever
did.
you do right now, I'll double it.
That is the tiniest bite I've ever seen.
I can't eat that.
Come give us a big bite, Kane.
Nah, f that. This shit is disgusting.
It just oozed.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
it expired in January 2020.
No. That's no. It
That was so much fun. Thanks for trying the pickle, guys. Pickle in the bag was a solid 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Go try it at your local convenience store. Pick one up. It's a good time. Let me know where you guys are from so I know which country to film next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thumbs up if you guys liked it. Bye. Ugh. I actually can't reach the camera.